Hi friends, welcome to Glow's Kindred Kitchen and I'm Glow. Well, today I'm getting things ready for dinner later on in the day, and I decided to make some baked beans for dinner, but they're different than some of the other recipes. These are called Bootlegger Beans, baked beans. So I just thought I'd share with you how I do it. The recipe, I've found this recipe in several cookbooks, and it calls for about 2 to 3 slices of bacon. I'm using 2 today because I have kind of a thick cut bacon, and I have it already starting to cook here on the stove. I'm not sure if you can hear it yet. I just started hearing it, so that's here. So as this is starting to cook and render down a little, I'm going to be adding 1 small onion, and this is here, and it's chopped up, not real fine. And then it calls for 1 can of baked beans. This is, I think, a 16 or 15 ounce can. And then it has 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. And I'm using apple cider vinegar today with the mother. But anyway, yeah, now you can see that bacon's starting to cook here a little bit. So that's going to be cooking for a few minutes, and we're going to be adding the onion, and we'll continue on. I'll see you back in just a couple minutes.
Smells good already.
Well, our bacon is about halfway done. So at that point, we add the half of a diced onion, or a diced onion, but a small one, I'm sorry. So now we're going to cook this. And when the bacon is almost done and the onion starts to get cooked down, we're going to be draining off some of this fat. And I'm going to just be reserving it in this little jar here. I will save this grease though, because I'll probably use it for some kind of cooking with the bacon and the onion. It's going to be good. So anyway, we'll be back again. We're just going to let this cook probably, like 3 minutes, and we'll be back. Well, we're back. I'm going to show you guys. See here? This bacon was so lean. I don't have very much fat in here at all. I was going to drain it, but there's really not that much to drain. And so I'm going to just leave what I have here.
Leave it in there for flavor.
Yeah, and so now what we do, I drained off probably about 1/2 inch of the juice on that can. And I'm going to pour that in here. And I have my burner on medium to medium high. Right now I have it on medium high. And I'm just using 1 can. So if you wanted to make this for a larger family, you're just going to, double this recipe, or however many people you have. And then I have the brown sugar, the 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, and 2 tablespoons of, I use the apple cider vinegar. I'm just going to pour that in here. See how easy this is?
That's pretty easy.
That's probably why they call it the Bootlegger Beans, because it's quick and easy, and they were probably always on the go, always on the run.
Yep.
So
Eat their beans and go.
So I'm going to let this cook now.
Yeah, it smells good.
For 30 minutes, and we'll be back to sample. Well, it's been 30 minutes, and I'm going to show you what this looks like, you guys. I cooked this on low that whole time. See how that thickened up?
Mm-hmm.
It's
That's good.
It's not greasy at all either. The bacon was hickory smoked bacon, and it was a thick cut. And that's, again, the reason I used 2 slices of it. And you just, dice it up. You can smell the vinegar and the brown sugar.
Yes, you can. I can sure smell it.
These are so good, you guys. They're not like an ordinary baked bean. They have like a vinegar back flavor to them. They're not overly sweet, but they are delicious. I can see why they're still popular. They are really good. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. And if you have, please like and subscribe to our channel. Give me a comment or a thumbs up. And again, thank you for this recipe, you bootleggers. We'll talk to you later. Bye.